Mexico! Yeah!
Walmart.
Walmart?
Or Jesse. Never.
I got it.
We'll take Levi with you.
What about charcoal?
Never mind. We'll get McDonald's.
And then the lighter fluid too, so I don't know how much it costs.
Here's $100.
Alright, yeah. Okay, oh. Ready, man?
Yeah.
Tortillas.
Maíz o de harina.
It's my cheat day.
What meat?
Fajita, skirt steak.
That's the dick of the cow.
Mmm.
Yeah, like the base of it.
Just that.
And get the balls too. What are those? Mountain oysters?
That's nasty, bro.
Perfect.
What?
Well, smoky, I thought you were about the other one.
Whoa, fucking Richard started bitching. Ryan said I was smoking.
And it was cheaper.
We got the other one. We wouldn't have been able to get coke.
Oh, okay.
Hey, what you doing?
Taxes, bitch. What do you mean you probably bought it with my money?
I paid for those.
You got a receipt?
No, we threw it away. Oh no.
Those are the ones he walked out in his
Eh.
pocket. Are we going to Medina?
Alright, tell everybody we need 100 from them, but not, you don't have to pay, but you just collect. Just 100 from them.
Hey Chris, we're fixing in $100 seats for the feet. You want me to pay for all of it?
Let's go.
Technology.
Amazing.
Look at this man. Didn't even use the cameras.
I figure if I hit anything, they're both mine, so it's fine, right? I haven't been in there. Have you been in there?
Yeah, it's full of guns and knives, but that's about it.
Good, it says gun and pawn.
Should just say gun and.
Oh, they got a little dollar machine where you get in there and you can just... I'm gonna do that, but with mufflers that fall, so you have to catch it. And if you get hit,
shit.
if you get hit, then it just pop. Be like, why is there cement in this fucking MagnaFlow? I was like really hungry whenever I thought of this idea, so now I'm still hungry. I just thought like, I hope it doesn't take too long.
We need to put a vending machine in the showroom.
Start with cigarettes, Red Bulls, M&Ms, and Monsters, Big Red, and Dr. Peppers. Any money that these guys make, I would get right back. So Levi's never been to a meat market.
Been to a meat market. Just never.
A Mexican meat market? He's like, what is the Michoacana? You go by an Arby's?
I should call her.
Yeah, I should call her.
Dos de salchicha, por favor. Too hard. I don't know. Take this one up.
That one's too hard.
Too soft. Look. Look. God damn. Play baseball with this motherfucker.
Damn, I heard that one.
Grab some.
Bro, look at this shit.
Oh my god.
Family Dollar or Dollar Tree?
It's all about family.
They both seem pretty ghetto. I got $3. Let's see what we can get. Thank you for putting raw meat in where my kid sits, Kevin. What the fuck?
Wow.
Go get a table and set it up right here in front of the... Chris. Yo. What you doing? Think I'm doing this club for free? No, I need you to cook at least once.
I'm good.
Richard, if you were in like Spartan times, would you let yourself be violated by a man if he proved he was a superior warrior to you? Hey, where's the motor? We got no engines, do we?
Oh, hello guys. We don't condone smoking in the workplace. He doesn't work here, just hangs out for whatever fuck.
I just kind of check on the bill.
I've never seen this man in my life.
Oh, you really do want me to cook? Oh, yeah, you're playing.
You thought we were playing?
Yeah.
Yes, Levi, we're gonna use more than salt and pepper. No, I just find it ridiculous. Y'all rated half the world's population for their spices and only use salt and pepper.
Oh my god.
You've been voted off the island.
Buddy, this was the only set of tongs they had. He's like, that's fine, he's not gonna hold it long.
Yeah, right. Burn my fucking hand or something.
He doesn't want to use them.
You're talking shit about it.
Hey, come here. Alright, well we won't use it for that sausage. How about this one?
Fuck, I almost got him.
Wow.
They have this guy in the Navy, bro.
Just have another little lighter on the inside.
I did. I saw it on TikTok.
We learned so much from that Chinese communist app.
The sizzle.
Fine.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
They do like the hot bike, just like throw it at somebody's face, like just like burn them.
I ate a pound bone.
Who do you think you're trying to fool here? That's clearly not 5 ounce.
Let me taste it.
Please. I'm hungry.
Please, sir, may I have some more? That's how Richard is whenever he asks for tunes.
You gotta do it like Salt Bae.
Ah, you thought that was the end of it.
I wish.
We only eat well done here. That's meat, alright. That's alright. Probably like 3-day old.
It looked off, dude.
That's so hard. Dude, they have baseball fucking.
Yeah, it's true. Levi and him went through 100 on that.
You motherfucker.
You want to walk out there, Richard?
That was good.
No, I just dropped it.
I was really expecting that thing to go flying.
Hit Ryan's truck and shit, I get fired. It's just so fucking hard.
Damn. She can get it. Even though she has what appears to be jaundice. What do you mean the transfer case is broken?
On today's episode of How to Spend More Money, David just gave us a call. The transfer case in the truck is bad, which is not surprising. 130k mile truck. So we're gonna try to find a solution for that today so we can get the truck back and go beat on it.
The housing is good, it's just the internal.
Ah, okay, so it's like me, it's dead on the inside. Okay, all right. That way I can try to get you something today.
Yeah, because the transit's long, that's really all I need to fit into.
Okay, all right, thanks. Things move fast around here. I mean, we found one, they're all expensive, but we found a couple. Yeah, it looks pretty rough. We don't need any of those sensors or anything.
It should come with everything.
Hopefully you don't trip, porque this is a 4L61 or he won't care. Oh, bueno. Let me go pick this one up y ahorita te la traigo.
Alright.
You think today, tomorrow?
Right, today will be done today.
Alright, we'll be on our way. We're leaving David, got the old transfer case. It's pretty beat up. Matches the rest of the crusty ass truck we purchased. Which would make sense why it wouldn't like engage completely beforehand. But that's fine, part of the game. To get it going and get it in the truck and get this bitch on the road. Hey, you think we can drive it back or no? Okay, cool. He says he's done. Go do the segment swap. Levi, go with Richard, take a camera. Y'all can... Oh, I don't have anything here, so y'all got, one of y'all got to drive. Think this one? I think the fuck not, trick ass bitch. I'm the type of driver that either you gonna move or I'm gonna move you. Or in the dually, I do not give a fuck. I literally vision myself driving like a Batmobile, like the big one. Hey, look how thick Junior got. Turn around here. No. You got thicker than bowl of oatmeal.
Turn around. Bust it.
Drop your weapon.
How's the battery been?
It's good. Well, it didn't die. I mean, it was disconnected, but
It's been kind of shitty. How'd you do the pinning?
same way you would do if you get the bullshit harness.
Oh, I always bought the bullshit harness. We're gonna get the AC filled on this bitch. It's too hot. I guess all that's really left is the drop case, suspension, wheels.
Dry shaft. It's too long.
It's too long. Like right now?
I mean, it'll be fine right now, but
You think I should
once they
drop
drop
it first?
No. Well, yeah.
Drop it first and then get measurements. I'm gonna do it while it's unloaded. Shifts?
Just partial throttle, like
Butters.
Yeah, we babied it over here, so...
Better?
A little bit. So we gotta turn the fuel map again.
Did you try putting it in 4 and it does?
It's solid now. It doesn't like.
Yeah. Slush box.
Yeah.
Lots of stuff going on. You go that fast?
E-boost fucking setup.
No, I would be okay with it because I know that if you're going that fast, you're pushing it and there's a possibility it can blow up. And anytime somebody has to spend money other than myself, I find joy in it. Randy's car blowing up Texas 2K, I'm like, gotta be going for some money. You thought that I was going home, did you?
Bring your torch sockets. I didn't bring mine.
Get no poco.
You don't have any?
Look,
I got the one that fits.
421. As far as I know, it's 821 now. So 4 months for some pistons.
Off the shelsters. About another 10 minutes.
They don't even lie.
What, home? That's what I was gonna say. Why don't you just take this shit to my house, bro?
Because it's not gonna get done. Last time I did that, we weren't at Texas 2K. We didn't make Texas 2K. And then you're gonna be like, oh bro, when the piston went out, took out the tranny and the diff. I didn't even know. There's a drop test.
When the customers come.
Is this one the one that breaks or is it the other one?
There.
How easy do your oil pump gear?
Cracked already, right?
Where? Where's it cracked? Not yet. Okay, let's hit it off the rev limiter one more time.
Right now.
Ford said, bitch, you thought. Alright, that's 2. Oh yeah, it's cracked right there. See? So that's how easy these oil pump gears break.
Where's your torch sockets?
Right there. Oh, I can break these cuffs. When Aldo cracked his stock oil pump gears, he replaced them and made it like 10 more miles.
That's a weak ass gun. It just smells bad already.
What the fuck you do to my shit?
I just literally tried to fucking unbolt that. Bring a reducer.
Bring hell gun. Alright, I'll see y'all later. I'll be back.
Where are you going?
Where you going?
I got swim class with my kids.
Alright, well, help me grab my
Out
bag
of the
so I
3 of
can
us
go.
here that have kids, one of us has to be a decent dad.
Jesus Christ.
Sorry, we all can't. Oh, I'm just going fishing. Y'all deal with the problems at home. I can't just do that.
What?
Yeah, you heard me. Leave that in there. Johnny's gonna be like, hell yeah.
Captain America?
Yeah.
Captain Nuevo Leon?
We went to the strip club in Vegas one time, and this girl, she had a water bottle. Before you know it, she was just like, pop, 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 just like squirting water at everything. It's hilarious. I would never hurt you, Richard. Come here. Friends. Too slow on the draw. Dude, don't hide behind the motor. It's already fragile enough, isn't it?
What's gonna happen?
Oh, we looked at it wrong. There goes number 5 again. The new video has been up for 5 minutes, and we have our first member. So, Mr. OneLow50, send us a message on Instagram, and I personally will be sending you a care package. So I need your shirt size and your home address. So, let me ask you this. Would you trade one of your major limbs for like 4 extra inches?
No.
No?
No. I mean, I satisfy myself.
That's what I'm saying, but like,
Like,
if you,
would
but
I
if you,
really trade an arm or a leg
But I'm
to
saying-
satisfy a woman? You know what I mean?
but I'm saying, if
That's
you
just-
could be a pirate, right? And you
Notice he
got
said
like 4 inches.
satisfied, not like more satisfied.
Yeah.
So he hasn't satisfied the woman.
I mean, yeah, I do. I'm really good with my fingers, you know. I used to putting fucking header bolts on and shit.
On a couple of my transmissions, there's like a couple bolts up top that are missing. So Tim's like, "Hey, this 6R80 only has 4."
On which one?
On my car.
On the blue car?
Yeah, the one that we go 780s.
Oh yeah, I didn't put the top one.
I know you did it
Yeah, that's the day that we did it, like at home or at the shop.
at your shop because
Yeah.
you want me to take everything to your shop, but then you just
Yeah.
forget bolts,
Yeah, I mean, I forget the bolts here too.
bro.
Well, it's not that I forget them; they're just too hard to put in.
You're just not satisfying anybody.
No.
Yeah. If you would have used the rubber, you wouldn't be in your current situation.
Bro,
Did you wash your hands? Is that carrying a baby?
what kind of fucked up world do we live in where the crusty ass race truck?
Where the wheels cost more than the truck?
Now you gotta get boogers for everything else.
Bro, the Mustang has a good set of wheels. The Welds and the Lumistars, those are nice. The fucking Ford F-150 is gonna be real mad that it's $1,200 set of wheels, basically race stars at this point. It's like all the work I put in, and you give me some cheap ass wheels. But these are good. These on all 4, these thick boys, solid 60 foots. I'm excited. Hopefully we get them on today, tomorrow. We gotta see what we need to do to at least level it before we send it to the suspension shop. It turned off. That Richard tune. That cuh special, cuh paste.
Go get the helmet and hold up one of these for the thumbnail.
Bro.
Yeah.
So, in our quest to find some wheels, once again, the budget was thrown out the window, and we ended up getting some really nice wheels for the 4x4. Probably the nicest wheels of any of my vehicles. I say that, but I think the Mustang has a pretty badass set of wheels. The Trans Am has a nice set of wheels, but I think these top them all. There they are. We are headed to our usual spot, Tires by Design. They have several locations, so Timmy is working at the Friendswood store, so that's where we're going. If he was at the Space Center store, it's like 5 minutes from the shop. We're gonna drive a little bit further for quality. At AC working overtime, people always notice, they're like, man, that AC's blow cold. Like, it's 'cause we're hot, 'cause we're fat. So we'll reveal shortly, hopefully have them mounted on the truck. I have the appointment with Vic at VAS for the suspension, and that's all we really need to get testing and start going to the track or the street, really. We could probably do it now, but finding wheels has taken so long, and I didn't just want to put any race stars or anything, not hating on anybody that has poverty stars or nothing. I just wanted to do it nice, and I know eventually this truck's gonna get a nice engine and bigger turbo, so I just want to set it up for the future, have it all nice looking. So that's why we went with this set of wheels that I probably wouldn't have bought otherwise. Wait, you're not supposed to see the wheels yet. Beefy boys.
If this would have had like an 8, it would have been good.
Here, let's put this up somewhere. This caliper bracket's rubbing. It stops the wheel from turning, so we gotta finesse it. Alright, I need safety glasses.
No pasa nada.
Just close your eyes.
Just close your eyes. You start doing this. Why did it stop you?
I think my rotors are warped.
You want me to find your glasses though? Oh, there you go. Need some glasses?
Shiny.
Yeah, brand new parts. I like buying parts when we want to, not because it's necessary. The only reason why we're changing calipers and rotors is because the factory stuff is a little bulky, and we're hoping that the newer clears the front wheel a little bit better. We're having issues with fitment right now.
Yeah, so you don't have to grind.
Yeah, we're trying to avoid having to run a spacer. Well, how come you didn't buy the wheels that fit? Well, I didn't buy the wheels. Any more entries for the Rate My Car?
Oh yeah. I was hoping for some more like crusty ones. Hopefully we'll get some of those. They're still gonna get roasted.
If you know somebody with a crusty ass car, submit it on their behalf. Don't tell them, I don't care. We'll just tell them who it came from if they decide to get mad. We're potentially sorry for anybody that puts your car on there because they got something bad about it to say. It's always nice having an external opinion.
Maybe it's the motivation that they need to fix it.
Yes. This is just kicking my ass.
Takes 3 of y'all to put brake pads on?
I'm just trying to make sure I'm not going crazy.
I could have answered that. Yes.
Your information, we haven't got it on yet, so come and help us out. It'll be 4 of us.
Well, that's why I'm here. Apparently it takes 4.
Don't think I won't swing on you just because it's your birthday.
Voila!
Would you like to use any of your other lifelines to finish your job? Pee-pee go brrr.
It's an old ass truck. What the fuck you mean? You're fucked up. Bitch, it was a crusty ass truck.
That was good though. Hey,
There's
nobody,
more-
no.
there's
No,
more-
what did I tell you?
You wanted to go, and I didn't have 8 hours and 2 days to go. But more sand has come off this bitch than fucking Richard's vagina. There's fucking
Sure
dirt
look good though.
everywhere.
It's better than most of them,
Oh, now it is.
even though it has like half a ton of dirt.
I'm ready to see it drop. You know,
What
chewy.
about over here?
Yeah.
So we put a 1/4 inch spacer, and now Richard said that it doesn't work. So I was going to see if you can just put the center cap on and weld it. think
I
you're fine.
said that.
So
It's like this black door.
No, I want the fucking thing. When you buy turbos, do you fucking take the wheel out? No, you use the whole thing, right? Okay, same thing. Sometimes the precision ones eject themselves, so it's all good.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you a meme of a precision turbo coming apart.
You boys like Mexico?